Are your software tools crashing due to the zlib1.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. This DLL file is a common variant of the zlib compression library. It is used by countless Windows applications to compress and decompress data streams in real time, helping to reduce storage requirements. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This issue is commonly caused by a broken or truncated parent software suite, the software where you encountered your error. Installation. Reinstall the latest official version of the application from the official website to ensure the zlib1.dll and all related files are correctly replaced. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the zlib1. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of the zlib1.dll carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing the zlib1. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix parent software suite. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.